Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 5 we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous Neet examination for class 11 for chapter 5 morphology of flowering plants. So let's start with the video. The first question is, in bougainvillea thorns are the modifications of option A stipules, option B leaf, option C stem, and option D adventitious root. The right answer is option C stem. Question second. How many plants among Indigofera, Sesbania, Salvia, Allium, aloe, mustard, groundnut, radish, gram, and turnip have stamens with different lengths in their flowers? So the option A is 6, option B is 5, option C is 4, and option D is 3. The right answer is option C 4. Question third. This is not a stem modification. Option A thorns of citrus. Option B picture of nepenthes. Option C flattened structures of ponchia. And option D tendrils of cucumber. So the right answer is option B picture of nepenthes. Question 4. The wheat grain has an embryo with one large shield-shaped cotyledon known as. The option A is coleorhiza, the option B is coleoptile, the option C is epiblast, and option D is scutellum. The right answer is option D, scutellum. Question 5. Placenta and pericarp are both edible portions in option A banana, B potato, C tomato, and D apple. The right answer is C tomato. Question 6. This is a correct statement. Option A. A sterile pistil is called a staminode. Option B. A proteinous aileron layer is present in maize grain. Option C. Mango is a parentocarpic fruit. And option D. The seed is grasses, it's not endospermic. The right answer is option B. A proteinous aileron layer is present in maize grain. Question 7. Flowers in China rose are option A. Actinomorphic, epigonous, and velvet estivation. Option B. Actinomorphic, hygonous, and twisted estivation. Option C. Zygomorphic, epigonous, and twisted estivation. And option D. Zygomorphic, hypogonous, and imbricate estivation. The right answer is option B. Actinomorphic, hygonous, and twisted estivation. Question 8. In a cymose inflorescence, the main axis, option A, terminates in a flower. Option B, has unlimited growth but lateral branches end in flowers. Option C, bears a solitary flower. And option D, has unlimited growth. The right answer is option A, terminates in a flower. Question 9. This is correctly matched with its three characteristics. Option A is maize, C3 pathway, closed vascular bundles and sclerotum. The option B is onion, bulb, imbricate, estivation and exile presentation. Option C is tomato, twisted estivation, exile presentation and berry. Option D is P, C3 pathway, endospermic, seed and vasculary estivation. The right answer is option B, onion, bulb, imbricate, estivation, exile presentation. The last question for this lecture is, this is the xerophytic plant in which the stem is modified into the flat green of succulent structure. The option B A is Achaea, the option B is Hydrilla, the option C is Caesorania, and option D is Opuntia. The right answer for this question is option D, Opuntia.